We are here at Converge 2023, and we have some more labs than we've ever had before. And you guys came a long way to deliver these labs, didn't you?
Yeah, we came over from London on
wow.
Saturday. Yeah,
that's fantastic. Yeah, so glad that you were here, made that long journey, and put all the time it takes to make these labs possible. So thank you. So why don't you introduce yourselves for our audience?
Sure. Okay, thanks. My name's John North. I'm a Director Technical Account Manager at Tanium. I've been with the company 2.5 years now. I've been scripting for many, many years. I learnt when I was a child. And I'm here with Chris Jones, who...
Yeah, and as John says, I'm Chris Jones. I'm also a Director of Technical Account Management based out of Cardiff in the UK. I've been with Tanium for about 2 years. Before joining Tanium, I worked as a customer using the Tanium platform, liked what I saw, so I joined the crew. And yeah, just like John, I've been coding since I was knee-high to a grasshopper.
So you're talking about coding. What's the title of your lab?
So the lab's called Creating Custom Content to Solve Those Complex Business Challenges. It's all about building specifically more complex code than we covered last year in the lab, so yeah.
And that topic, custom content, never gets old, because this is extensible platform. So what are some of the use cases that you're covering in the lab this year?
Absolutely. So one of the ones I covered this year was gathering the Windows update log on Server 2016 machines, because that's quite challenging, certainly at scale. So that was what we covered, and that resonated really well with the audience. One of the guys was saying that's exactly what he's doing right now, so I gave an update to that, so that was really helpful.
All right, yeah.
Yeah, and I've been covering the internal execution API of our sensors, really going quite deep into that and allowing you to customize the output of a sensor without having to write the code that was in the original sensor. So you're still getting Tanium updates to those sensors. Or maybe looking at index and searching index for some files and then doing something else with that output, linking sensors together, basically.
This sounds like a lot of fun as a former scripter myself. So what kind of feedback have you gotten from the attendees?
Yeah, the feedback's been good. We definitely had a few in our last lab that were talking about how we could use this in their day-to-day jobs right now. One lady I was speaking to at the end said, I want to do a custom content course. It's exactly what we need. We need to be able to customize what we're doing. So really excited, I think.
Yeah, one of the guys I was chatting to before he left was saying that's basically what he came for, was this lab, because he's learned so much. He's going to go and do the custom content course as well when he gets back. So yeah, it's really, really good feedback.
So thank you guys for this year, like I said, bringing it. This is a fantastic session. Until next time, go Tanium.